Hi guys, so it's time for Glossybox versus Birchbox. I am a little bit late getting this up for various reasons. It was my birthday, so I took a little bit of time off filming because I had a weekend full of plans with my family, and then when that weekend was over, I wasn't feeling too great in the headspace. And I was struggling a little bit, so I didn't get videos filmed, and I apologise, and I'm going to try and get some extra ones up this week. So I'm going to start with Birchbox just because I'm drawn to this colour, this lilac-y with the silver foil on it, and the book wants to come out for me, which makes life easier. So it's one of the little drawers again. Right, on top of your world. That's nice. Oh, and I've got an October sneak peek, a Thermotherapy warming foil mask. Okay, that's weird, and we need to look forward to it and try that. So let me see. We've got a nourishing conditioner with mango butter. I wonder if it smells like mango, and it's sealed, which is interesting for hair products. It doesn't really smell like mango, but it's mango coloured. But, okay, we'll always give that a try. It says it nourishes and repairs hair from the inside out. Moisturising and detangling formula helps to improve softness and shine. Not to mention its gorgeous fruity smell. That smell I can't smell. It's free from sulfates, parabens and silicons, and the full size is £10. This is a 50ml sample. So that's a good size if you're going away for a couple of days. And next I've got a moisturising emulsion. I just associate emulsion with paint. So this is the City 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturising emulsion. Full size is £23. This is a 7ml sample. And it says, protect your skin from the effects of pollution like dullness, dehydration and irritation with this daily moisturiser. Using City Guard, a complex that acts to shield your skin, its cruelty-free formula, we like those words, provides long-lasting hydration and visibly brightens. Apply morning and night for a fresh, healthy complexion. Interesting, I do live in a city, so possibly something I should be thinking about. Next, we've got a Ico brow liner in medium. Medium what? Medium green, apparently. Okay, that's interesting. It's a very watery green colour. I'm not sure how that's going to look on my brows, but we'll give it a shot. So the recommended retail price for this is £15. This is not the full size. This has got 1.2 grams in it, and it says, say goodbye to regular brow pencils and hello to this innovative liquid brow liner. Use the precision brush to instantly draw on individual hairs exactly where you want them for natural definition. The easy to use formula allows you to build up colour for a subtle, water resistant finish and long lasting shape. So interesting. I'm really even more curious now after seeing that shade, because that's bizarre. Although with my hair having this much red in it, that might clash really badly, having such a kind of cooler toned shade. Oh, I've been wanting to try this because I've heard good things about this brand. So this is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. God, if I'd done a review of that, the title bar would be full. So it says it's a 3-in-1 scrub which invigorates all skin types in just 5 minutes. Macadamia seed gently exfoliates, pink clay clears pores, and Australian finger lime provides that lit from within glow. Gently massage onto your skin, then leave for 5 minutes to let the treatment work its magic before rinsing with warm water. So I think they're trying to suggest it's an exfoliator, cleanser and mask in one. And it says it's not tested on animals, not strictly the same as cruelty-free, so we'll need to investigate. And the full size of this is £34.90. Oh, okay. So then last we've got a sample of the California box powder from Benefit. This is not the full size is $25.50. Benefit are not cruelty-free, so I won't get a lot of you know, I won't get used to this. So it says, bring the warm glow of California sunshine to your look with this beautiful blush, blended with the gorgeous shimmering gold, the pretty pink formula. Guys, this is orange or peach, it's not pink. Adds a radiant flush to the cheeks. Just dust it on using a fluffy brush. Oh, and it smells of pink, grapefruit and vanilla too. It does actually. That's weird. Okay, so nice little balanced box. Some skincare, some hair care and some makeup. So that's nice. Everything's pretty small, but they're from quite good brands, so it balances out. And yeah, so let's move on to Glossybox. Oh, and also, like I said, looking forward to October and the weird thermo sheet mask thing. That sounds cool. So Glossybox is just the normal pink colour this month. I don't think there was any kind of theme. Apparently it's the start of the new beauty school year. Oh, and there's an Illamasqua lipstick next month. Awesome! That, I love Illamasqua. Okay, so, sorry. On with the unboxing. To be honest, I've been up since like 6:30 to try and film today, but if I go a bit funny, that's why. So, okay. First things first thing that's catching my eye is a Pure and Fabulous Water Lily perfume from Wild Garden, who I've never heard of before. But it's a really cute packaging. It's got a little gift label kind of built into the back. Let's see what it says about itself. So it says, with notes of pear, water lily and warm amber. I literally just bought a pear perfume. That's deceptive in that box, but that is a nice bottle. It kind of looks like a test tube. So I just bought pear perfume yesterday, but pear, water lily and warm amber, this brand new perfume will transport you to a beautiful wild garden, apply to the pulse points of your body for a floral spritz. So it's £12 and you can get it on I Want One of Those. That's nice actually, it's really light and fresh. I can definitely see me wearing that. Okay, nice. And the bottle is really cute. That would make a lovely gift if I hadn't just sprayed it already. Next one, okay, little bit strange. A packet of wet ones for hand and body, 12 antibacterial wipes. So this I feel like maybe the start of festival season would have been good in boxes, but anyway. So these are £1.19. So for whether you need to freshen up or clean up, these handy wipes are the on-the-go must-have. They kill 99.9% of bacteria. Practical, I guess. But I have another temporary dog arriving today, so perhaps if I'm up the park with her, they might be nice to keep about for travelling home. So next thing catching my eye is from the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co collaboration. So this is a lip liner in rosewood. Ooh, RRP £25. Model Co. You really put the prices up when you've done this collection. So it doesn't want to come out. This looks like a colour I've been looking for. No, it's very pink. Very, very pink. I thought it was more plum from the lid. So, bit disappointing that the colour suggestion at the end is not quite accurate. It seems a really nice creamy lip pencil, but £25 for a lip pencil I think is a bit crazy. Definitely a good item to get in a box like this, so winning there. I've got a sheet mask, which I'm going to go for next. So it's the Beauty Pro Detoxifying Bubbling Mask with Activated Charcoal. It's £4.95. It also says it has extracts of lime, lemon, apple, orange and grapefruit. It's a wonder for detoxing your skin, refining pores and reducing oil. Okay, my skin's having a really bad week. I've got a lot of foundation on, so this might be awesome. So it says it's cruelty free, which I you know, is my favourite words, as always. Oh, it's got tea tree in it, so that's going to be really good for your skin as well. And witch hazel and lavender. Okay, that, looking forward to having a go with. So next I've got something from Bang Beauty, which we've had before. This is an eyebrow cream. Nothing gives you a confidence boost more than a powerful brow. This eyebrow cream has a velvety consistency that applies effortlessly, so you can get HD brows at home, and it comes with an angled brush. It does. For applying thick, defined brows that stay in place day and night. This is £16.80. And that actually looks a decent shade for me. It's a little bit lighter than what I'm using just now, but that might not be a bad thing. For the record though, if anybody's wondering why my brows look this full on and heavy, my brow pomade was a little bit dried out and I'd put in some oil just to kind of thin it out, and it's just went a little bit overly gloopy. So it's very hard to get a minimal look with it basically. So last but not least in this box, we've got the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. Interesting. So, scalp detoxing should be a regular part of your regime. The pomegranate enzymes and natural castor oil beads remove impurities that block your roots to create the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. We also love that it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment. The Deluxe Mini, which is this size, is $7.37. The full size, which is 190 mils, is £28. So actually not a huge amount of cost per mil difference between the miniature and the full size, which is quite nice actually. I mean, if you bought 4 of the Deluxe Minis, you would be paying $29.48, so it would be $150 more for 10 mil more product. So that's, yeah, it's not a massive price difference. That's quite cool. I hate when you look at like the minis to the full sizes and the price difference is like extortionate. So I'm gonna say I'm more excited about Glossybox. The perfume's really nice. The hair care product is a little bit more kind of different and innovative. It had more cruelty-free stuff. The brow product's a better colour match for me. Interesting skincare. And yeah, so better sizes of products, still good value of products, and equally as good range. So Glossybox, killing it this month. So let me know down below if you got either of these this month. Let me know what you got. Let me know if you got the same perfume, if you got it, or if there was different scents glowing around. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.